the matter will retain its position in the list.
Grateful, Lordship.
No further matter, only the mentioned matter, Mr. Mukherjee. Which item?
Item 68.
68. All right.
But I have some minute to Maladi. But I appear from Lord the respondent of 5 and 6, the Chanchal Bar Association.
I'm appealing
But I have a point about Lord the maintainability with reference to a division bench judgment. But I'm not shying away from the facts.
Maintainability of the petition
Directed
against
against Lord an unregistered association of persons, the Bar Association.
Bar Association. All right.
And Lord, I'm not shying away from the facts even. Lord. If your Lordship hears me on facts even, Lord, I can satisfy. But
Without going into facts, just tell me, is there any requirement for practicing as an advocate?
First of all, Lord, the petitioner's right to practice is never curtailed. I do not have any right.
Yes.
Do not have any right. But Lord, I can always regulate who
Yes,
becomes
that
my
you can.
member.
That you can do, certainly.
That is exactly, Lord, we have never
This is
said
the
that they are
thing.
not to practice. I cannot say that.
Your right to practice will not be affected in any manner.
Process has protected also, my lord, in respect of the petitioners to, my lord, to practice and not to make any, my lord, obstruction in practicing. That is in what interim order.
order.
Interim order is there.
I get
And
it.
that is, my lord, the 68.
68,
And that is
yes.
up to, my lord, the 31st of January. Now, my lord, what happened? Your lordships kindly observe. Kindly on that day, your lordships recall this. The other 54 members, those your lordship's observations, they may have come. But the same situations was there in respect of them. But those are also added. Time prior, my lord, the application has been filed.
All of them.
My lord, the 4 has come.
4 has
And
come.
the, my lord, the one lady advocate is there. She is, my lord, apprehending even to return the, my lord, native place for outraging his, my lord, modesty. My lord, she
What
wants
is
to get your lordship, my
Lord, I tell you,
what
Lord,
is the issue?
all the bar members are
lord.
here.
Yeah, no,
Lord, we have heard this, Lord. My learned friend is submitting before your Lordship. We got not the recorded, not that his submission. But this is absolutely untrue. And
What
this
is
made
happening?
only-
This should not happen.
But this is not happening at all. He is trying to say this just to impress my Lord about Lord the urgency of the matter. We don't have any Lord right to do that. We do not have any inclination to do that. We don't have any propensity to do that. Why my learned friend not makes this submission, I fail to understand.
Malad, I need not have to, I must, Malad, I need not have to, Malad, trouble your lordship. If a lady come, Malad, from Chanchal,
Oh, yeah, wait,
if a
wait,
lady
wait,
come
wait,
from
wait.
Chanchal, and Malad, these recordings, your lordship,
Wait,
I have
wait.
actually recordings,
Please
Malad.
wait. Please wait.
But
Mr.
the
Mukherjee.
secretary of the
Please
bar
go to the good
association,
office.
but words is when he is
All
giving.
right. Please wait. Please use your good office to resolve the issue.
I'll tell you.
Between the bar members, do not let the court enter into all these things. See if it can be resolved.
Comes and makes an allegation.
Forget that the allegation has been made. What can be done to resolve the issue?
Lord, all that I say is that, Lord, we have taken certain action against, Lord, some members. They do not have any right to, Lord, seek a, Lord, a redressal before your Lordship in a writ jurisdiction. If they are at all aggrieved, they have a different recourse in it. Secondly, Lord, we are not hampering their practice at all because we cannot do so. Therefore, Lord, without, Lord, the assistance of the bar,
No, but then the your document that was placed before the court.
Yes, Malad, that they have asked for, and Malad, for inspections
Page
and all these things. Whether
56.
the
Page
After even Malad
56.
member.
1 minute. 1 minute. Page 56. What the Bar Association is doing, the Bar Association is uh, finding out discrepancy in the educational certificate, admit card, mark sheet,
that is
registration.
so far as my members are concerned. I have got, Lord, 2 certificates. Your Lordship will kindly have a look at it. On the basis of this, people are becoming my member. When I ask them that you come and show the certificates,
Which certificate?
Lord, the certificate of education, Lord,
Why did you ask?
because Lord, I have a right to see the qualified members are my members.
You have a right to see whether the person is registered with the Bar Council.
Lord, on the basis of Lord, a fake certificate, if
You
Lord,
intimate to the Bar Council that
do
your the enrollment which has been
do that.
granted
We'll do that.
registration is based upon false.
they're already done. Already
Follow
done.
it up. Follow it up with the Bar Council. But then in this manner, if you say that this is fake,
All that
you
what
cannot
we are
do
doing here,
this.
Lord, We have already intimated to the bar council.
It is for the bar council
Now,
to
Lord,
take
we do
steps.
not want this particular person, Lord, to be my member of the association. That
How
is exactly
can
what we
you
have done.
say that a document is false? You are a bar association. The court is not entering into merits.
Lordship,
Just a discussion.
Lordship, my lord.
How can the bar association have the expertise to decide as to whether a document is fake or original?
That is one aspect. We have given a pro forma. The gentleman before your lordship, but he has in that particular pro forma which I gave, did not give at the time even for my membership induction. Thereafter, that there are at least 4 cases against him, 7 cases against him. The form is blank. Blank, it are there.
Criminal cases. All right.
And not if this not persons
That
are
is
my
something
member,
different.
that is
A criminal case. It's different. But then the educational certificate, admit
that
card,
is
mark
another
sheet.
aspect of the matter. I'll come one by one. This was not the form that we have asked everybody to submit. Other members, without any demo, submitted. They also submitted, but the form that they have submitted is incomplete.
All right. This is
Number-
in respect of one particular
No,
member.
the petitioner,
Petitioner.
before your
One
lordship, I'm
petitioner.
talking about.
But this resolution has been adopted in respect of 54 members.
Because not the 54 members, not they did not supply not the necessary particulars for the association to find out whether they qualify to be a member of my
Isn't
association.
the enrollment certificate enough?
Lord, for my membership criteria, my lord, I am an associate. Kindly consider, Lord, in a club, not there might be multiple criteria not to fulfill to become a member of the club. One of the criteria may be not that enrollment. The other criteria are also to be fulfilled about the nature of the person whom I will not admit. In the bar association, Lord, if I give your lordship the rules, your lordship will find about the cessation of membership. There is a particular clause, clause 7.
All right, but then as long it is the association of the advocates, that means the first thing is that the person has to be registered as an advocate with the bar council. The moment the bar council registers, it means that the educational qualifications have been taken into consideration and then only the certificate is granted, otherwise not.
This is a presumption.
But then the bar council does not look into the criminal antecedents or anything. Oh, possibly not. I have taken enrollment long back. I have forgotten. So whether this is to be disclosed or not.
Council enrollment.
Who are you, sir?
Ma'am, I'm representing, your leadership, I'm representing one of the petitioners in this case.
One of the petitioners, only one petitioner is
There's
here.
only one
And the
petitioner.
other
Lord,
active
I'm
one
supporting
is
the petitioner.
The
I'm supporting the petitioner.
you may
Because I'm one
support
of the
from behind. Don't open your mouth. A senior counsel is there in front of you and you are opening your mouth from behind. This is not a practice. Please follow the decorum of the court. So every day this is happening. Yesterday evening it happened. Today it is happening. Please maintain the decorum of the court. So, is there any requirement of disclosing criminal antecedents in the bar council application form?
Yes.
My lord.
Yes.
Maybe,
fine.
maybe it is
My lord,
some.
it is, my lord, it is necessary to fill up the form saying that whether any criminal proceedings is pending. But the thing is this, if he is convicted in that event only, my lord,
That
that
is
your lordship is
different.
aware of.
That means there is a provision for
There is a,
disclosure.
my lord, that there is.
Now, same thing.
My lord.
Okay, I'll hear you. I'll hear you. So that means there is a provision to disclose as to whether any criminal proceeding is pending against you or
No,
not.
whether you have convicted
No,
or
no, no. Is
Only
there any
convicted.
criminal proceeding
yes,
against
yes,
him?
that is there.
Tendency is also
Okay,
there.
after my lord, subsequently,
I'll hear you.
has been inflicted with this.
Yes. So, as far as the criminal proceeding is all right.
So these are not the multiple parameters we were seeking from all the members. I did not discriminate. I did not ask this from the 54 members. To all the members of the Bar Association. They submitted. We scrutinized. We found the discrepancy in respect of the 54. We said that you cannot be a member. I never said not you cannot practice. And in the resolution also not we have marked that.
Traveling. So far as the interim order is concerned,
As far as the right to practice, you cannot interfere with.
We cannot. We not take.
Let them
Lordship
practice.
Cannot record my submission
Yes.
to that effect because That is a fundamental right of them.
Whoever may be enrolled with the bar council will be entitled to practice in accordance with the Advocates Act. Do not interfere. Let that. If you do not extend your facilities, they will
That is
not
up to
avail it.
me. Lord, it is a private arrangement between the
Absolutely.
members. Yes, that's the reason I say, Lord, that the writ petition is not maintainable. I'll cite Lord, two Lord decisions. One division.
No decision. The very first day I raised this query, how is a writ petition maintainable?
Very.
So
Every time Lord, there's a bickering
It is
between
my
the members.
submission.
Come and bother your Lordship.
It is my humble submission before your lordship that if there is any discrepancy, any sort of anything arising, then it should be referred to bar council.
it has been referred. What steps have you taken?
For verification.
What steps have you taken?
Verification.
So what steps have you taken?
Again, my lord, can you direct us to?
Why will the court direct? Because the petitioner doesn't want verification.
No, my lord, I just come to.
Bar Council of India and Bar Council of, we have already intimated because
It
they are
is-
under the obligation to Lord inquire and find out.
It is it is your function. It is not the function of the bar association to inquire somebody's antecedents and everything. Do your work. And these
The least details have been given.
and the right to practice of the debarred members will not be interfered
No,
in
Lord, we
any
are,
manner
I did
whatsoever.
take my Lord statement on that. We cannot do that.
Mr. Mukherjee, this is the best that can be done.
That's right. Only my lord, let this matter my lord kept meaning because
For what reason?
only one aspect. My lord, Mr. Mukherjee, my lord, placed my lord the two judgment, trying to place my lord through. My lord, that my lord, I have given one judgment of Kerala High Court. I think my lord,
That has been considered by the division bench here.
my lord, that Kerala High Court, my lord, they
The court is not entering into the merits. Bar association does not have any right to curtail your right to livelihood, your right to practice, your trade, profession, whatever. Do it. And against the bar association, if you are aggrieved, civil court is open. Go and file civil
that
proceeding.
only my lord, that in respect of my lord, what troubling me, my lord, the acts my lord, I have handed over to your lordship, that the acts my lord, the West Bengal Advocates Welfare Funds Acts, and he is my lord by submitting that this is a body not my lord recognized by the bar council. This
that
body
is
is recognized under this act. So my lord, if I intend to get my lord the benefit of my welfare acts, I must have to wear this act text. That in respect of that and this my lord, the bar association is amenable under this.
This is also
jurisdiction.
argued
But that I am
not
my lord.
done.
But Lordship kindly say, my lord, I don't, my lord. Lordship kindly,
What benefit do you want from the bar association?
no. Unless I be a member, but this statute, a state statute, which says, unless I be a member of the bar association, I will not get the privilege of this funds act.
What is the privilege in the fund?
Well, your lordship kindly see, this I have handed over one copy, my lord, that,
Copy of?
my lord, the
Yes,
West
well,
Bengal
well.
Advocates Welfare Funds Act
Yes,
1991.
Yes.
Now, your lordship kindly see, section 22.
প্যারাগ্রাফটা বার করুন না ডিভিশন বেঞ্চে কোনটা বাদ দেওয়া হয়েছে প্যারাগ্রাফটা 15.6
Section 22, the provisions of this act shall
Not apply to an
to an advocate if he is not a member of a bar association. So, my lord, these funds, but this trustee has been constituted by this under this act. The funds which has been my lord, raised by the under the that trustee, that has to be my lord, rendered to my lord, the advocates who are my lord, retired on or even getting the some facilities by way of my lord, in times of the my lord, disease or something else has been done. So my lord, I will not get the benefit of this act. My lord, this is a violation of Article 14 because and this bar association, my lord, your lordship kindly come to this paragraph 16. Sorry, section 16. Section 16 says, my lord, no bar association shall be recognized as such by the bar council for the purpose of this act unless it is registered in the manner herein provided. They are, my lord, a recognized bar
No, we are
association.
not. We are not registered.
No,
We are an association of person.
whether they are not recognized by the bar council.
So the act doesn't apply.
So if that be so,
So if
my
the
lord,
act is so not by
I don't know, my lord, that.
That is what he's saying. The bar association is not registered.
And this point has been squarely dealt with by the division bench.
that they are recognized by the bar council.
They are not. They have not applied for
So,
recognition.
if I negativity, negative equity, then how they send this for before the bar council asking the verifications of these documents?
That is for the bar council to decide whether
I am on this.
no. That is for the bar council to decide whether to accept their application request or not.
As because they are saying they are not registered and they are not recognized.
This is
Madam,
between
March
the
over.
bar council and the association.
Yes, Madam,
So-called association.
Madam.
But are you sure, Mr. Mukherjee, your association is not registered?
All my office bearers are here, Lord. They
Yes,
have,
sir.
I have twice.
Madam, they are holding up,
Okay.
holding a room in the courtroom. They are
Our bar
holding up
association
in the
last,
court
Lord,
premises
1.5 years ago, but they got it registered.
without registering themselves. They are holding a room in the court premises and they are, madam, the signboards are there.
Sign, what a sign.
They are occupying a room in the courtroom without getting the registration of the bar association. I don't know how.
This is the submission that the High Court Bar Association was also not registered.
Yes, we can show him, Lord. That is everybody knows.
Then
1.5 years back.
1 year old.
I got
only 1 year back they got the registration.
Yes, ma'am.
17 rooms in the High Court premises.
I am also wanting.
Then,
They are demanding more.
More.
For 30 years I am here also, madam, in that way.
then,
No, madam.
Then
I am not.
so the Welfare Act will not be applicable to them also.
Yes, my lord. None of the members of the.
We'll get the
Minor,
benefits.
actually, Welfare Act, there is a subscription when it is contributed by the advocates, bar council contributing for their any emergency in hospital, that them if they file any bill, submitting bill, on the basis of that, they are giving the money.
What about the insurance portion of the Bar Association? Has it materialized? Nothing has.
So far, our bar association, it has not.
Who will bail the cap?
Yes.
Minor.
Steps were taken.
Yes, steps were taken.
And
No states, no states,
it was pursued to,
no states, my lord.
it was.
Till date, nothing else.
Till date, nothing, my
Anyway,
lord.
please
There
come.
was an attempt to do that as a group insurance.
Yes, group insurance.
But it has not
That
been
is
done.
different.
No, that is by a private treaty that was made.
না না প্রাইভেট থেকে হয়নি
আচ্ছা
Here is for any সেটা কোনো কোম্পানি দিতে চাইছে না।
Madam, the can may be disposed of and allowed, madam, this can one.
when is the can?
To the addition of party.
When did you file the can?
Well, it is with the record, madam.
My lord, that is
Well, I have far
a
gone.
strong objection, my lord, because why? Because different advocates, all their individual capacity, my lord.
They may be one added as
Why
performer respondent there.
I cannot
But the
put
same footing, madam. As your lordship disposing,
Different advocates.
as your lordship disposing the
I'll dispose.
unless, yes, as your lordship disposing, let
I'll-
this can be allowed.
Yes, yes. The Chanchal Bar Association is represented
কপি দিয়ে দেবেন।
by the learned senior counsel. Stop. It has been submitted that the Bar Association is an unregistered one. Stop. Provisions of the West Bengal Advocates Welfare Fund Act, 1991 is applicable
Extra copy. Extra copy.
only to a registered association.
At the other.
Stop. As the Bar Association is yet to be registered, the members of the association will not get the benefit of the said act. Stop. Paragraph. Learned Senior Counsel, appearing for the Bar Association, fairly admits that the Bar Association will not stand in the way of the right to practice of the subject advocates who have been debarred from using the facilities of the Bar Association.
The resolution টা বার করে রাখুন। And
Stop.
resolution to that effect has also been taken by us, Lord, that previously, that they
16th of December?
এটা রেজলিউশন ডেটটা কবে 12th of not oh I'm sorry 16th of December page 57 রেজলিউশনে বলা আছে যেটা একটু দেখ
কোন রেজলিউশন?
আচ্ছা
11th of December 2024 last 3 lines.
no 16 December is a further resolution page 56 আচ্ছা নেক্সট হচ্ছে
পেজ 57 রিড
এটা তো খালি নামগুলো রয়েছে।
নো
resolution is there
পেজ 56
হ্যাঁ এই নোটিশটা দেওয়া হলো তো এই সার্কুলার এই রেজলিউশন বলে এই রেজলিউশন
that is there.
দিস ইজ দ্য রেজলিউশন
আচ্ছা
11-12 unanimously decided on 11-12 last 3 lines.
ওই নোটিশটা রেজলিউশনটা
সঙ্গে সঙ্গে
কপি অফ
পরিচালনা সমিতি
আইনজীবীগণ আদালতে নিজ নিজ কার্যপ্রণালী অব্যাহত রাখিল তাহাদের বার অ্যাসোসিয়েশনের সদস্য পদ হইতে রহিত করা হইল।
since the bar association is an unregistered private body, comma, the writ court is not inclined to is not inclined to interfere in the matter. Stop. The writ petition is disposed of with the observation that the advocates who are registered with the Bar Council will not be restrained from practice in the practice by the Bar Association in any manner whatsoever. Stop. Had an application for addition আছে the applicants are aggrieved by the applicants claim to be similarly placed as the petitioner in the subject writ petition. Stop. The allegations are also the same. The allegations of the applicants are also the same. Stop. In view of the above, the application for addition of party stands allowed. Stop. The order passed in the writ petition shall be made applicable in respect of the applicants also. Writ petition disposed of.
Lordship.
এটাকে রেখে দিন আর এগুলো কি দিয়েছে এগুলো সব ফেরত পাঠিয়ে দিন